spoiler alert, this hair right here, not a wash and go. That means that you're gonna be watching a fail. Hey loves, my name is Latoya Ebony. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, subscribe. If you've been creeping on my videos, because this is like a third one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit me up on Instagram. I do a lot of natural hair care videos here and I think that you are going to enjoy. So this video is going to be 7 days in my wash and go after using the Anthony Dickey wash and go method, which was honestly fabulous. I got the best result. It was pretty simple to do. I stayed in the shower the whole time, but this is how it went. Ooh, this looks so cool. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Toya. I was just eating something, like, hold on, let me take care of this real quick. All right, so my bonnet was pushed back so I can do my makeup. Oh, we're gonna take it off. See, what had happened was, right, let me show you the back. My roots are still wet, you guys. Still wet. It has been more than 24 hours. So what I did last night was I had clipped it up with this clip so that the back can get, you know, a little bit more air. Cause I thought, you know, this is the right thing to do. See, what had happened was, it was late at night and I was realizing that it wasn't gonna dry, but my son was asleep and I didn't want to wake him up with a blow dryer, so I decided not to. That's just me being a good mother. So here we are, and am I still gonna blow dry? Now I'm just being lazy. It has a lot of definition, which is kind of cool. Let me look in this mirror here. I don't know, because at this rate, by the time this dries, it's gonna be time for me to wash it and do it all over again. Oh my God, I think I need to blow dry now. This is way too wet. Darn it. Okay, so I've got a blow dryer. Bam, bam. This is by Conair. I've had this for a long time. I got it from Target. So I did watch a wash and go video by Anthony Dickey, and he used a concentrated nozzle to get the roots. Because the girl, she sat under the dryer, that still didn't dry her hair, so then they went in with the blow dryer, so I'm going to follow suit. Let's do warm and high. Literally, that took me 6 minutes. I should have just did it. So now I'm just gonna take some of this oil, Melanin Hair Care, Black owned, and just fluff my hair. Hi, Da Vinci.
Hi.
Hi. Do you want to come say hi? Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. We're gonna do your hair routine too, huh? Yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
So this is it for day 2. Very simple. Now he says I need to do another wash and go every like 2 or 3 days. I'm gonna do it on day 4. I will check in with you for day 3, so stay tuned. All right. Mwah.
Huh?
So days 2 and 3 went pretty much as normal. This is what I would expect from my wash and go. Then day 4 happened. All right. No lie, I did not take my bonnet off at all yesterday. Not even to check my edges. Like, I did not take it off. Oh. So this is my hair right now. I'm just spritzing it with a little water because it's dry. And now I kind of understand the idea that Anthony Dickey has of kinky hair needing to be done over within 2 to 3 days because it's dry. And I specifically kind of avoided doing too much to my roots in terms of putting gel towards my roots because I have a problematic scalp. And I know for a fact that that gel flares up my scalp because I used it on my edges and it caused some issues. It's very effective on the hair, so I'm gonna continue to use it. I just need to be careful myself where it goes. But this happens to me with pretty much every gel. See, this is what I'm talking about. So as you guys can see, the roots are not very defined. I'm okay with that because I like the afro look. This curl has been annoying me. Like, get it to shrink up or something. It's like right there. Yeah, I think this looks great. Oh my God, how could you not like shrinkage? I understand we don't love shrinkage because of knotting, but in terms of the look of it, A lot of y'all just don't like the look of it. And I just can't understand. How could you not like this? Okay, I almost put on foundation today. Then I realized I don't have to. Masks. The look for the day. I just got a new purse. I'm so excited to wear it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, okay. Okay. Hi. Mwah.
I will not bow down.
I decided to stop and let you guys know that I am about to actually shampoo my hair, condition, deep condition, and do the wash and go. Mainly because my scalp is itching. So day 4 is when my scalp just started feeling it. Just a little bit. I was like, okay, so my scalp is not feeling good. I'm definitely gonna have to use some shampoo. I have a problematic scalp, okay? This is not about the product. This is about my scalp. I have yet to try a product in which gel has not done this. Even oil. Putting it directly on my scalp, it always flares up. So this is nothing new for me. Okay, so that session took about 11 minutes. By the way, if you have not subscribed, hold on, let me make myself look pretty. Hold on. So you've been in the shower with me, what, 2-3 times, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like we have a relationship by now. Don't side chick me, just go ahead and subscribe. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm gonna do a deep conditioner. This is the Mael Babasu and Mint Deep Conditioner. So if you ever wanna just get a list of everything that I love and like visually see everything, go to LatoyaEbony.com and there'll be like a shop tab. I've got a piece of shed hair attached to the end of good hair. This is why it's important to kind of try and get those shed hairs out as much as you possibly can because they will knot around your hair. Oh, I got water in my eye, y'all. Oh no, I can't find my washcloth. Where'd I put it? Where did it go? Okay, I found it. Ooh, okay. That was a scary moment there. Okay, so I'm gonna do some quarantine self-care and I'll be right back. I'm putting a leave-in in now. So one of you commented and said that after you apply your leave-in, you douse your hair with water again. That way you're able to use less gel. So let's see if this works. Okay, we've got Aunt Jackie again. His hair is soaking wet. And I'm going in for the application. I'm gonna try and use less product this time. Maybe it will help with my dry time. Does anyone else hate being in the shower this long? I don't like steam showers. I don't like any of that. And I've been in here for what, an hour, over an hour, hour and a half, because I added that extra step of deep conditioning. So compared to last time, I'm definitely using a lot less product because my hair is not as weighed down. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with more shrinkage. I just want faster dry time. So I'm gonna do the famous step, shaking my head. At least it doesn't feel as dangerous this time. Oh God, I'm lightheaded. I really am. Okay, hold on. I gotta take a break. Okay, I'm over exaggerating a little bit, but really though, I do feel a little lightheaded. I'm gonna calm down for a second, let it air dry. I'll see you guys in a bit. Because I personally have scalp issues, this is just gonna have to be the solution for me. So this is my hair the next day. You know, it's not about the way it looked. It's about the effort that went into a style that looked like literally, it was a pendulum swing all the way on the other side. At first, I was upset. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, I nearly killed myself inside the shower to come out with something that looks like I literally just put leave-in in and left it alone. My results were pretty terrible. I'm not even gonna lie. It was like I shouldn't have done everything that I did to lead up to that point. Now, here's the thing. Different things work for different people. So I'm not saying that the person who gave me the advice said anything wrong because obviously it works for them. They are wash and go masters. I am not. So clearly I did not put enough product. I did not put enough gel. I don't know if it has to do with my texture, my coil pattern, my shrinkage. I don't know why, but you know, I'm finding out that I need a lot of product in order to get that kind of definition. I also have very dense hair, and so I'm starting to believe that Anthony Dickey was kind of right. You know, if you got a lot of hair, you probably should use a lot of product, and at least that's true for me. So this is clearly not the way to go. I actually don't enjoy the manipulation of my hair, even if it's just twice a week. I'm not enjoying it. You know, sometimes, as hard as it is, you just have to come to terms with the fact that you failed. You know, it never feels good. It's never great. I did not start this video thinking I'm planning to fail. So, what I'm gonna do is co-wash my hair and just do my normal process of moisturizing and stretching with a twist out. I feel like that's what my hair needs, so that is what I'm going to do. Okay, so there's been an interesting development. That being that this time, I actually have a lot more tangles. It's not really that bad, to be honest, but there are like small sections in which I'm getting knotting more frequently than, you know, yesterday. And so my theory is that because I don't have enough of that gel to kind of lock my coils in place, they've had a lot more time to do this. So this is my conundrum. My hair was feeling particularly dry, so I definitely needed as much conditioner as possible. This deep conditioner, you guys, is on my website as well, but I'll link it down below, the Mael. It's actually helping me detangle, and I usually don't detangle with a deep conditioner, so like I'm very impressed. Hey everyone. All right, so my hair still in twists. I just put this little headband on. I have not re-moisturized my hair. Today, I'm not gonna be doing very much. I'm just gonna be re-moisturizing my hair, but it might be too dark by the time I do it, but I will update you guys tomorrow morning on that. I wanted this to be a success, but you know, the life of YouTube, you know, it may look like it's perfect all the time, but in real life, it just doesn't go as planned. So these are the things that I've learned. Anthony Dickey, he's bomb. His methods are bomb. The results are bomb, but it takes a lot of product. And I mean, I don't know if I have the coin to keep up with it, nor the patience. I am not willing to wash and go every 2 to 3 days. I have a decent amount of hair. I don't have that much time. I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a YouTube content creator, I am an actress. I have a lot of things that I'm dealing with on top of juggling a part-time job as well at the moment. So I've got a lot of stuff on my plate, and doing this every 2 to 3 days with this amount of product, probably not. For me, personally, doing a wash and go, letting it ride out, let it rock out for the week, spritzing it with some water, putting a little oil, fluffing and going, that is what I like. That's what works for me. Yes, the hair does get dry, but the cool thing is because there's so much product, I'm not gonna get a lot of that knotting. And this is one of the things that many of you were saying the reason why you don't like working with your shrinkage and the reason why you're afraid of wash and go is because you're afraid of knotting. In my personal experience, when I've used a lot of product, my hair kind of stays locked in place and I really didn't get that many tangles. It's when I use less product and my hair has the freedom to go and do whatever it wants that I'm getting all of the knotting. So, you know, it's like more product, scalp flare-ups, less product, tangles. I don't know if I can win. Washing, stretching, moisturizing, sealing, I feel like that works for me. It's really nice. It's amazing. It's low manipulation. I feel like my hair thrives when I do that. In conclusion, I like wash and goes. I'm gonna do them every once in a while. I love the fact that I can enjoy my shrinkage and not the knotting, but because of my scalp condition, I do have to be very careful on how often I do them. Thanks for watching. If you missed my last video on when I did the Anthony Dickey method, I'm gonna put it right here, right up here, so go take a look at that. Also, I have another playlist, and this playlist is gonna be a surprise. I love you guys, and I'll see you in a few days. Mwah.